In my heart is a Christmas tree farm where the people would come.
Hey y'all, here's the project I'm going to make for you today. I don't know if it's a dupe or inspo, but it's from Hobby Lobby. I bought the wood round from Hobby Lobby and I got it at 50% off. And I think there were 2 in the pack. I used white chalk paint and did 2 good coats on both sides actually. And then using Cricut Design Space, I made that design and I cut it out and I weeded it and I transferred it onto the wood round. Using fabric I got from Walmart. This is the Created fabric. I believe it comes in a yard. I measured it out and I'm going to use Mod Podge to attach the fabric. And y'all, when I was watching this, I swear the fabric, it looks crooked, but it's not. And that just makes my OCD go haywire. I promise it's not crooked. Okay. Anyway. So now I measured the bottom to do the bottom fabric. I'm going to attach that with Mod Podge as well. I think it's better to attach fabric with Mod Podge because hot glue, although you can use hot glue, it lumps. It can create a lump, and I didn't want lumps. So Mod Podge it was. So just making sure it's tacked down really, really well. Then I got the half beads from Amazon. And I'm going to count them out and placing them to see how many I need to paint. It ended up being 28 on mine, the way I laid them out. Then using the same chalk paint I used for the wood round, I painted all these beads. Like so. I don't know why I'm showing you that much painting. Then I went and put Mod Podge on the fabric, a thick coat over the whole fabric, even off of the edges, because it makes it easier to cut after it's dry. Then I Mod Podged over the transfer to seal it down. Waited for all that to dry. And I cut around it using my utility knife. So then I used Gorilla Wood Glue and hot glue to attach the beads. That is Gorilla Glue in that little squeeze bottle because it's just easier for me to get it out. I did get that squeeze bottle from Dollar Tree. The ribbon I'm using is wired ribbon. It is from Hobby Lobby, and you know I paid half off. I found the placement where I wanted the hanger and hot glued it. And then I put a piece of twine in the middle so it would be easier to hang later. I think that was my thinking. Then I realized I had to go back and attach all the way up with hot glue so it wouldn't move around. Then taking the same ribbon, I did 2 loops and then tied those 2 loops together and made just, I call it a simple bow. Is that really a simple bow? I don't know. But that's what I did, and then I shaped it, and it was so cute. I was really proud of that bow. Then I dovetailed the tails and I hot glued that bow on. And y'all, it's done. And I love it. So tell me if you think I did justice to this dupe or inspo. Bye, y'all.